how to change password on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick answer tutorial video on how you can change your password on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, here at the bottom you will see various icons. Click on that Me icon at the right corner below. After clicking on it, you will reach to this page. Here click on Settings, and within the settings at the top you will find Account Security option. Click on the Account Security to access more options. Now on this page you will find Password option at the third. Click on that password and you will enter to this interface. Here you will have to enter your old password first, then in the two boxes you will have to enter the new password. Make sure your new password matches the criteria. It must be 8 to 16 characters and need to contain numbers, letters and the special characters. On this page you will see Done button at the top. Click on that button, wait for a while, and you have successfully changed password on your WeChat account. So in this way you can change password on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.